Let's learn some basic strumming patterns on the ukulele. In our previous lesson, we learned how to play the C chord. And that's going to be the chord that I use throughout this lesson. But feel free to use whatever chord you want while practicing strumming patterns. Or if you don't have a ukulele nearby whatsoever, no worries. Just strum the side of your leg. That's what's wonderful about strumming patterns, is you don't have to have a ukulele nearby in order to practice them. We're going to be using our pointer finger for strumming, not our thumb this time, but our pointer finger. And where we strum is across the bottom of the fretboard, not over the sound hole like a lot of guitar players. Our best sound on the ukulele comes when we strum the bottom of the fretboard. There are two directions of strumming, down and up. When we strum down, the fingernail of our pointer finger brushes the strings. Try some down strums. When we strum up, the pad of our pointer finger brushes the strings, right where your fingerprint is. Try some up strums. Now try down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up like this. And whenever you strum, go for a relaxed wrist and a relaxed arm whenever you strum. That, you're ready for some strumming patterns. So if you check out the description, there will be a link to a printed version of this lesson, and on that lesson you'll see 8 strumming patterns. You'll see some arrows and some rhythms underneath. One thing I want you to notice is every time you see a quarter note, there will always be a down arrow. That's because we will strum down for every quarter note. And every time you see a pair of 8th notes, you're going to see down, up, down, up. And I also want you to think a word for the quarter note. I want you to think about the word strum. So every place we play a quarter note, say or think strum, 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 strum. And everywhere we see pairs of 8th notes, think strumming, 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 strumming. And I'm going to go through all 8 patterns. You're not expected to just breeze through all 8 and get them all right the very first try. You might need to pause it in some places and just work on one pattern at a time. I'll also make it easier for you to find each pattern. I'll put them in the description, and I'll put a little link to where I begin each pattern. So here's how it's going to work. I'll say it, then you say it. Then I'll play it, then you play it. Here we go, starting with pattern number 1. Strum, 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 strum. Pattern number 2. Strumming, 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 strumming. Pattern number 3. Strumming, strumming, strum, strum. Pattern number 4. Strum, strum, strumming, strumming. Pattern number 5. Strum, 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 strumming. Pattern number 6. Strum, strumming, strum, strum. Pattern number 7. Strum, strumming, strum, strumming. in pattern number 8. Strum, strumming, strumming, strum. Now, once you get really good at these strumming patterns, see if you can strum a pattern while singing a song. This is very challenging because we're asking our brains to do 2 things at once. So the song we're going to use is going to be Starlight, Starbright. And the pattern we'll use for this lesson is pattern number 3. Now, we could use any of the 8 strumming patterns with this song, but I think 3 kind of goes well with it. So one thing you'll want to do is just get really, really, really good at the pattern first. So just over and over again, just practice strumming, strumming, strum, strum, strumming. And when you get really good at that, then see if you can talk and strum at the same time. Harder than it looks. Try talking to someone in your house, or try talking to a stuffed animal. Maybe say the Pledge of Allegiance while you strum the pattern. It's pretty tricky, but if you can do that, then you're ready to try strumming and singing at the same time. So, what I would suggest is the first time you listen to me strumming and singing, just listen and see if your ear can just focus on only the strumming pattern by itself. And then listen again and see if you can focus on just my singing. Then when you watch it again, try just strumming along with me. Next time, just sing along with me. And then when you think you're ready, try playing the strumming pattern while singing along. It will take a lot of time to be able to do this, so be patient with yourself. I'll also put a link to where I'm starting this song. That way you can find it really quickly. So here we go, Starlight, Starbright with strumming pattern number 3. I'll start with the strum. Strumming, strumming, strum, strum. Ready, sing. Starlight, Starbright. Star I see tonight, wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Well, I hope this lesson was helpful, and I hope that you practice every day, because the more you practice, the more fun playing the ukulele is. I'm Mr. Klotz, reminding you to keep on making music.